What we're doing this season, which I love, is the fans want to see where we shoot the show, you know, and they want to see the clubhouse, and they want to see the garage and the back lot. So this year, that's what we're doing.
See all the fans? These are fans, Sons of Anarchy.
Just walking into the clubhouse and seeing it with your own eyes. It's something you watch every week, and you just hope to be able to see it one day.
To be selected totally randomly to boot, it's a lot of good fortune. It's an amazing experience.
Being able to come and see the place I see every single Tuesday night, it's crazy, it's mind-boggling.
I cannot believe this happened to me. Of all people out there, I can't believe this happened to me personally.
So we viewed episode 509, but they watched it in the clubhouse on a big screen TV with all the cast, and then we sort of moved them outside to the back lot. We have Tellermaro sort of set up like a nightclub with couches and tables and tents. We have food and open bar for them out there. And then the Forest Rangers are gonna play. Katie's gonna sing a couple songs, and it'll be a fun night.
Oh, they tell me of a home where no storm clouds rise. They tell me of a home far away. Oh, they tell me of a home far beyond the sky. Oh, they tell me of an unclouded day. Oh, the land of cloudless days. Oh, the land of an unclouded sky. Oh, they tell me of a home where no storm clouds rise. Oh, they tell me of an unclouded day. Y'all sound pretty. They tell me of a home where my friends have gone. They tell me of that land far away, where the tree of life in eternal bloom
Kurt's active on Twitter, you know, talks to his fans, does stuff like this. So it shows that he really cares and, you know, wants the show to succeed so we have something to watch.
See you out there on the wall. See you jump instead of fall. Saying this is who we are. Sinking ship and shooting star. Saying this.
It makes me like the show even more, knowing that they would take the time out to spend time with us, you know, shake our hands, talk to us, see how everything's going. So it's absolutely incredible.
Usually we're running around this parking lot wearing leather, and it's about 100 degrees. So feel lucky that it's freezing.
Another
he recognized us, just to recognize us, just for being fans. It's unreal is what it is. It's better than any show you could ask for, better than any producer, writer, anything you ask for. This is the ultimate. Blew my mind. I can't believe I was invited to it.
It's a great honor to be here on hallowed ground. Tell me who's that riding? John the Revelator. Tell me who's that riding? John the Revelator. Who's that riding? John the Revelator wrote the book of the seven seas. Christ rose on Easter morning. Mary and Martha came down to see. Said, go tell my disciples to meet me in Galilee. Well, tell me who's that riding? John the Revelator. Tell me who's that riding? John the Revelator. Who's that riding? John the Revelator wrote the book of the seven seals. John the Revelator wrote the book of the seven seals.
Something like this is just sort of our collective way, and it's not just me, it's, you know, the network and the studio and home entertainment. You know, everyone sort of gets together and basically it's a big handshake to all the people out there saying thanks for your loyalty, thanks for staying plugged in, thanks for being excited. There's really a sense of knowing what our fans like and what they're gonna get excited about. And I write to that audience. And if I didn't have fans that cared or gave me feedback, the process of doing that would not be nearly as fun. So, you know, I'm so appreciative, as everyone else is here, of everyone staying plugged in and watching the show.